well over 2 years old. They've got a foundation, they've got a process, they've been focusing on getting great product out the door. What they haven't focused on as much as now building a new business model that focuses on the customer. And so fundamentally, the organizational challenge is shifting the way they are aligned, the way their resources are aligned, where their budgets are aligned, but also now incorporating technology capabilities into their business. So that's a whole culture shift for a manufacturer. So I think that is what's been in their way. Yet, what we've seen is they're all coming to technology companies like Salesforce and others to learn about culturally, how do we motivate the organization to think differently? And then how can they bring some of those lessons learned into their organization to now transform and then embark on that digital transformation? What they need to figure out is how do we adopt some technologies that we can iterate on in a 30 to 45 days? How can we then find a team that is willing to take on that new initiative? And then how do we embrace a customer? That's probably the most important thing. Not only culture shift, but also in that transformation plan, bring a customer into that plan, make them part of the plan, and then showcase that. And by doing that, the other parts of the business, particularly for manufacturers who have grown through acquisition, will start seeing how that business is accelerating their innovation, their revenues, their top line growth, reducing costs through leveraging technologies that others will follow. So one of the things we talk about is treat your employees like you would a customer. And so I think that's one of the key things that any industry, but particularly in manufacturing, when they do have a balanced workforce of some of those that have been in the industry for many years, as well as some of the newcomers, because a lot of manufacturers are now looking to the same talent pool that a software technology is, to then mirror them together. And then, I think the key here is treat them like a customer. And if you understand what their basic needs are and you service what their basic needs are, they will realize that adapting to the new technology is actually going to make their job easier. It's going to help them get home earlier. I think that's the way that any company, but particularly manufacturers, have to approach the training and enabling of their workforce to motivate them to try something new.